Have you ever been locked out of your own Apple ID, with the frustrating "sign out not available" message staring back at you? This usually means restrictions are blocking your ability to sign out, and in this video, we'll troubleshoot those roadblocks. First things first, let's address parental controls. Open your device's settings app and tap on screen time. Within screen time, look for content and privacy restrictions. Tap on this option. If this is enabled, tap on it to turn it off. Afterwards, go back to the general settings and attempt to sign out of your Apple ID to check if it's working. The next thing to do would be device management. Head to your settings again, then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and search for VPN and device management. Check here for any profiles installed. If you find one, that's a clue restrictions might be set through that profile. Tap on the profile, and if you see an option to remove profile, do so. Afterwards, go back to the general settings and attempt to sign out of your Apple ID to confirm. By removing the restrictions, either through parental controls or device management, you should now have unrestricted access to your account and device preferences, and you can proceed to sign out.